I wouldn't be surprised, especially with a racing clutch.
It's hard not to stall.
Hey guys, this is my brother Nick.
Yeah.
He's gonna show me how it's done.
Get it done.
All right.
You gotta strap in.
Buckle in, huh?
Alright, so we're only gonna be on low boost, which is gonna be at 800 wheel horsepower,
Really?
which is roughly 900 torque. It's a special clutch, so it's got 3 discs, so that's why it jerks it.
Really? Because I feel it. Wow, it's got some boost, even like at the low speeds.
It's not even 1 PSI yet.
Yeah. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
we'll get there in a minute. We gotta warm up the oil. Yeah, it has a very long gear ratio, pretty much like on a Bugatti. The top speed is 255.
It's probably a good thing that I don't need anything.
Yeah, it's
Because it's probably got some really good like G-forces.
Got some G-forces. 3-disc tilting clutch system.
Yeah. My God, this thing rips.
Oh, no, it's got scavenge. It's got turbo pumps, engine pumps, 2 engine pumps, 1 internal engine.
This suspension is so stiff.
It's coilovers. We're gonna change it.
Man, it's such a beautiful acceleration.
Yeah, I'm trying to warm up that oil some.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
Oh, that's just regular. That's just regular
See,
driving.
I'm not really used to
That's just regular driving.
such acceleration and. Damn. This is crazy.
We're at negative PSI right now. See, watch. That's 3 PSI only right there. That's.
So you're watching
yeah,
PSIs.
Well, we can go all the way up to 1400 horsepower. You hear all the race gears inside winding? Yeah.
I could feel it.
And it's gonna start clattering the transmission once it warms up. Oil temperature.
So this is obviously not original transmission, huh? Or something?
No, it's built. It has long gear ratios because it doesn't allow it to be in boost long enough.
Right.
And then you have to shift.
Oh jeez, man. I could definitely feel the G-forces. It's so awesome.
And that's just in.
Man, it's crazy. It's so fun.
But it's fun. That's why.
It's so exhilarating, man.
That's what I was telling you.
It's crazy.
It's a lot of fun.
Man. Dang, this is like Formula 1 racing. I could feel it handles good. It's really grippy. So awesome.
What do you think?
Man, that's incredible. I love one of these.
And that's just 1 bar boost. Imagine if
I
we go
think
to, imagine if we go double.
Yeah. Yeah, it's so awesome.
This is right now we're at 800 wheels, so crank is about almost 1,000.
Wow.
So 800, a little bit over 800 wheel. If we turn it all the way up, we're at 1,400. See our traction just
It seems like this car is hungry for power. Like you can tell, it's just got so much potential. It just wants to go.
Yeah, it just spun on us. The gearing.
Yeah, I felt it. Jeez. This is funny.
3rd gear. If you go all the way with the 3rd gear, 130.
Yeah.
And like we have this. It's from 60 to 130. I think it's like 4-point-something seconds. We have the spec sheet, the dyno.
That's an interstate car.
Really?
Oh, absolutely. That's why he's trying to
Stop. and warm now. Man, it's awesome. Yeah,
Yeah, that oil, man.
it's great. It's a good thing I didn't eat nothing. That's what I was thinking. Like, that'll probably come a while. It's just such a... It's great. Like, it's so exhilarating.
Oh yeah.
By the way, guys, this is Glenn.
This is safe right now.
Childhood friend.
Because of
I
the
know him
fuel
like
so low,
2012.
I'm gonna adjust it like Monday.
You were like 18 years
So I wanted to
old.
make sure the
Yeah, at 18. So,
me and Todd sent me the diagram, wanted to make sure they routed the fuel properly, so there's no
Somehow, like,
backstop.
we're close. I'm going to be
Seems like it might be getting
So
obstructed,
Mike,
but the actual
now it's like
bypass
things are
line-
evening out.
yeah, now it's all.
Once you get to that age, it's like
Yeah, go in there, let's go.
when you pass 30, it's like okay,
After 30, forget it.
Get on in there.
so awesome.
There you go, yeah.
That's a good start.